power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby.
Yo, 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 what up? Welcome to another episode of Matty Matt's Bavarian Builds N54 Build Vlog Episode 3! In this episode, I'll be pulling the remaining things out of the E90 to get it ready to go into the N54 swapped E34. So, I made some extension lines from some silicone wire I got off Amazon with the right gauge thickness and everything to extend all these wires from the fuse panel box, so that way I can get them to go through the hole here, right through that hole. Once I get them through that hole, then I can put them in a small little harness protector and have them come out right back in there with the grounds and everything, and then the headlights and all the wires can be run up through here and snaked in. So there's a couple things I need to do before that happens. Find a better placement for the radiator and get it to cut into this upper core support to make it fit better. So I'll be making provisions on that. So I hope you guys come along and stay tuned and watch and see what happens. Let's roll. Woo! All right, so I'm at the E90. There's things that I'm gonna have to pull out. That's what she said. I'm gonna have to pull out this battery connector because I know that it also kind of goes with the ECU hookup. I might be able to modify or use the E31, the E34 one, but I think that this one will look cooler. I can find a cool spot for that. So I have to pull the power lines right here that run all along the bottom of the chassis. It's a pretty easy pull. That's what she said. So then from there, see, this is where all the damage was on the car. What? Drove it home like this, savage style. You know. So there should be two plugs down there that I need to disconnect from that, and then I also need to start pulling the evap system and the fuel tank. So let's do this. Woo! Boom! Alright, what's up everybody? Here's a little update. So I spent a little time pulling the power cables out of the E90 and I'm kind of stuck. Where I'm stuck at is the actual wires are hung up on the gas tank right up and pearl. So I can't pull them past that. So I'm gonna have to drop the gas tank. I'm gonna have to pull the evap and everything else. So yeah, let's do this. Let's get started. Woo! Got the bangers. So I've already pulled off the gas cap and that housing unit around there, excuse me. I also pulled off the fill tube. That's what that's called. There's a line I disconnected through there, goes to the gas tank. So now I'm gonna start pulling this side, working my way that way. Here we go. All right, we got the evap canister out. We have one of the main lines, the little one. We have this that connects up to the actual fill neck. Now I think we just have like one more line to pull this one through. I can drop the tank, pull the rest of the line from the front of the car back. Woo! All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys sticking through this one. This one's not all as fun as I wanted it to be, but we're doing it. Let's keep going. So I've pulled the evap canister in the lines, dropped the tank. It's almost out. There's still some good gas in there too, which is awesome. Because I put it in. Oh, sorry I'm out of breath. I've been wrestling with this goddamn line. This white line here. White lines. Okay. Bad joke. So yeah, this goes from the front of the car to the back of the evap. So that was a fun wrestle. Got that out. Got all the fuel system out. All right, party. Woo! Two Trulies later, I have the hole E90 fuel system out with the vapor canister. Don't mind this, it's just plugs in here. Boom. So we have all the vapor lines, we can check and see. We have a fuel tank out. You can see with the fuel pumps exactly what we're working with and what we have to move forward. There's the lines that run to the front. So I call that a pretty successful day. I got the main power wire from the E90 done and pulled. And then I also got the E90 fuel system and evap pulled. So pretty successful, I'm pretty stoked. So anyway guys, let's check in tomorrow and see what we got going on. Thanks for watching so far. Stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow. Boom! What's up everybody? Welcome to a new day in sunny San Diego. Anyway, it's a cold morning. It's about 60 degrees. Not complaining. Anyway, today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go to Escondido German Auto. I'm going to get the nutsert tool so I can temporarily mount the dash a little more hard than just throwing in some bolts and ripped metal. I am going to do that. I will be working on the wiring inside the car, better placement of the HVAC, and possibly start running the wiring extensions in the engine bay and get the E90 power wire that we took out yesterday into the E34. So stay tuned guys, here we go. So what I did yesterday is I pulled the E90 fuel lines and vapor lines and the fuel tank out. We have the little fuel vapor box or whatever the hell that is with everything all hooked up there. I also pulled the power lines right here from the E90. That side goes in the trunk, that side goes in the engine bay for the jumper and everything. So I'm gonna mess with that today. We'll leave this alone. We're gonna re-examine this whole thing later in another episode and convert everything to E85 and get it side by side to the E34 fuel tank so we can kind of make comparisons and see what we can do to make it work perfect. So stay tuned, here we go. Escondido German Auto. Can I please borrow your nutsert tool? Thank you. All right, we got the nutsert kit. Let's go do this. Woo! Say what's up, Jesus. Do it. This is Jesus. He saves BMWs. All right, we got our nutsert tool and Mountain Dew. Little can of freedom. Thanks, Eric. Appreciate that, buddy. Let's go home and start messing around. Woo! All right, now that we're home, let's get back to work. Woo! Before we go to work, let's take a little break. Tastes like freedom in America.
Hey, okay, we're back. Thank you for tuning in. So, what we have next is wiring. Switching to POV.
You recognize this technique? Huh? 5 elements. You remember. Hey!
All right, now that I got the battery cable in, I was gonna do some of this wire extension on the passenger side engine bay for the sensors and stuff to extend them to the right length, but only